high-end designer finishes,
Scandinavian luxury, and unimpeded lake views for days.
all that and more on today's episode.
All right, Dev, today we find ourselves here again at Lakhouse. Truly a phenomenal building, just a few years old. But before we get into the details of the building itself, let's talk a little bit about where we're located. We are right down, just steps from Barrie's downtown core. We're talking that strip of Dunlop Street. It's got all of your fine dining, some phenomenal cafes. You can get that fresh baked bread in the morning if you want, as well as some additional shopping there too. And of course, just steps from this side wall of this building, we've got phenomenal Kempenfelt Bay. We're on the Oro Rail Trail here as well, so you can get out for all of your hiking or cycling needs. And again, just step a little bit further, go for a swim, whether it's a paddleboard, maybe kayak, or get on the boat. This location is truly AAA. And for those commuters out there, just down Dunlop Street, you've got Highway 400. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that.
Absolutely. And this condo building is second to none. The Scandinavian feel goes throughout the entire building with high-end amenities, a stunning Scandinavian spa, a rooftop terrace to entertain all your friends and family, plus so much more. Now, this unit is also incredibly stunning with convenience, high-end amenities, and a view that really will blow you away. Let's get inside and take a closer look.
Now, before we head upstairs to that phenomenal suite, I want to take a second to highlight the fantastic amenity package that this building offers, starting with this phenomenal party room. We've got grand tables here, a full bar, so whether you're looking to just host a meeting or perhaps have a full-on party with all your friends and family, this is the space to do it. Again, with phenomenal views of Kempenfelt Bay. We also have the spa with plunge pool and sauna, perfect spot to just retreat away and let the stress just melt. We also have the fitness center if you're looking to get that pump on. And if you want to be outside, head up top to the phenomenal rooftop terrace. We've got barbecues and again, more space to party and entertain. And if you want to get out on the water, a unique feature of this building is the ability to store your kayak or paddleboard. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that.
Welcome inside Suite 810, where from the moment you walk through the front door, you're hit with high-end finishes, which is as to be expected in such a beautiful building. But let's talk convenience first. You have a double-wide coat closet, in-suite laundry, a full bath, and an office that can also double as a second bedroom. And as you continue through this stunning unit, you are welcomed into the galley kitchen that features quartz countertops, modern cabinetry, and a high-end stainless steel appliance package.
Now, as Devin mentioned on the way in here, you have all of those expected conveniences you would want in a suite like this, as well as that stunning galley kitchen. But that just continues to flow into the back half of this suite seamlessly. We've got the dining space right into the living area, which brings me to the absolute star of the show. And that is the panoramic views of Kempenfelt Bay we have here through this floor to ceiling window. Whether it's taking in the sunshine during the day or those city lights at night, your family and friends are going to absolutely love it in this space. And again, this wouldn't be a home without a stunning primary suite to wrap it all up. We've got the walk-in closet, a 4-piece ensuite with dual vanity sinks. That Scandinavian design and feel just continues through that space. It does not get any better than that. All right, Deb, we've covered a lot of ground here today with this phenomenal building and suite, and that view that we saw inside with the floor to ceiling windows continues out here on this spectacular balcony.
And those Scandinavian touches continue out here with stunning wood accents and this Lumon balcony system that lets you enjoy this space 3 or 4 seasons.
I mean, how good is that? Just letting that fresh air come right into your space. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie Waterfront Condos. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.